In this video, I'm going to show you how to claim $200 in free USDT on Bitget. No trading experience needed. Just sign up, complete a few simple tasks, and just simply logged in for 3 consecutive days, and the bonus is yours. And here is the best part. Any profit you make from that $200 is fully withdrawable. It is one of the most generous bonuses in crypto right now. And I am going to walk you through exactly how to claim it step by step. But before we dive in, let me tell you why Bitget is the platform you need to be using, especially if you are just getting started in crypto. If you are new to crypto trading, Bitget is hands down one of the best platforms to start with. Let me break down why. First, the interface is incredibly beginner friendly. You do not need to be a tech expert or a trading pro to navigate it. Everything is laid out clearly, from spot trading to futures, copy trading, and even earning passive income through their earn section. Second, Bitget has one of the most generous bonus structures I have seen for new users. We are talking about welcome packs, deposit challenges, exclusive tasks, and limited time perks that can stack up to thousands of dollars in rewards. Most exchanges give you nothing when you sign up. Bitget actually rewards you for joining. Third, security. Bitget uses industry-leading security measures, including cold wallet storage and two-factor authentication. Your funds are protected, which is crucial when you are dealing with crypto. And fourth, the copy trading feature. If you do not have time to learn chart analysis or trading strategies, you can literally copy the trades of professional traders and earn passively. It is one of the easiest ways to get started without risking your own capital and bad decisions. So whether you are here just to claim the $200 bonus or you are serious about getting into crypto trading, Bitget gives you everything you need in one place. And the best part, you can save this video and come back to it anytime you need a refresher on how to maximize your rewards. Now, let us get into how you claim that free $200. Here is exactly what you need to do. Step 1. Click the link in the description below. This is important because the link is tied to an exclusive bonus offer. Without it, you will not get access to the full $200 reward. So make sure you use the link. Once you click it, you will land on the Bitget sign-up page. Just enter your email or phone number, create a strong password, and complete the registration. The whole process takes less than 2 minutes. Step 2. Verify your account. Bitget will send you a verification code to your email or phone. Just copy and paste that code and you are good to go. Step 3. Log into your account for 3 consecutive days. This is a requirement to unlock the full bonus. It is super simple. Just open the app or website, log in, and you are done. You do not need to trade or deposit anything during these 3 days. Just log in. Once you have completed these steps, the 200 USDT will be credited to your account. And remember, this is not just play money. You can use it to trade, and any profit you make is fully withdrawable. But wait, there is more. By signing up through the link in the description, you also get access to limited time new user perks. These are exclusive bonuses that are only available for a short period, so you want to take advantage of them while they are still active. Now, let me show you where to find all these rewards and how to maximize them. Once you're logged into Bitget, head over to the reward section. You will find this in the main menu, usually at the top or in the sidebar, depending on whether you are on mobile or desktop. Inside the reward section, you will see a category specifically for new users. This is where all the magic happens. Let me walk you through each perk so you know exactly what you are getting. The welcome pack is your first reward. This includes bonus USDT, trading fee discounts, and sometimes even free trials for premium features like copy trading or advanced charting tools. It is basically Bitget saying, welcome, here is some free money to get started. Make sure you claim this as soon as you sign up because it is time sensitive. Next up, new user tasks. These are simple actions like verifying your identity, enabling two-factor authentication, or making your first deposit. Each task you complete unlocks additional rewards. Think of it like a checklist that pays you for doing things you should be doing anyway to secure your account and get familiar with the platform. The deposit challenge is where things get interesting. When you make your first deposit, Bitget rewards you based on the amount you deposit. The more you deposit, the bigger the reward. And remember, you are not losing this money. It is still yours to trade with. You are just getting extra on top. Exclusive tasks are limited time challenges that change regularly. These could be things like placing your first trade, trying out the copy trading feature, or participating in a specific trading pair promotion. Keep an eye on this section because the rewards here can be huge, sometimes even bigger than the welcome bonus itself. And finally, new earn users only. This is for users who want to earn passive income without actively trading. Bitget has a feature called Earn where you can stake your crypto and earn interest. As a new user, you get access to exclusive high-yield staking opportunities that are not available to regular users. It is a great way to grow your crypto without taking on the risk of trading. So as you can see, Bitget is not just giving you $200 and calling it a day. They are giving you multiple ways to stack rewards, learn the platform, and grow your portfolio. And all of this is available just by signing up through the link in the description. Now that you know how to claim your bonuses, let me give you a few tips to maximize your rewards. Tip number 1, complete all the new user tasks as soon as possible. These tasks are designed to help you get familiar with the platform, and they pay you for it. Do not leave free money on the table. Tip number 2, make a deposit during the deposit challenge period. Even if you are not ready to trade yet, depositing funds unlocks additional bonuses. You can always withdraw later if you change your mind. Tip number 3, check the exclusive tasks section daily. These tasks rotate and some of them are only available for 24 to 48 hours. If you miss them, you miss out on the rewards. Tip number 4, use the earn feature. If you are not comfortable trading yet, staking your crypto in the earn section is a low-risk way to grow your portfolio. And as a new user, you get access to higher interest rates. And tip number 5, save this video. Seriously, bookmark it, add it to a playlist, whatever you need to do. This way, you can come back anytime you need a refresher on how to claim rewards or navigate the platform. And that is it. You now know exactly how to claim your free 200 USDT on Bitget, why Bitget is the best platform for newcomers, and how to maximize all the new user perks available to you. This is one of the easiest ways to get started in crypto without risking your own money. Bitget is literally paying you to learn and explore the platform. And with features like copy trading, staking, and a user-friendly interface, you have everything you need to start building your crypto portfolio. So here's what you need to do next. Click the link in the description below to sign up on Bitget. Remember, you need to use that link to unlock the full $200 bonus and all the exclusive new user perks. Once you sign up, log in for 3 consecutive days to activate your rewards. Then head over to the rewards section and start claiming all the bonuses we talked about in this video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more crypto tutorials, platform reviews, and bonus guides just like this one. Click the popping videos on your screen for more videos like this and drop a comment below. Let me know if you have any questions about Bitget or if there is another platform you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Good luck on Bitget and enjoy your free $200.